Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of NFL. We go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will write the name of this application NFL and you can click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.